you have a stellar role in Gujarat. I'm told by many people that you have done a terrific job. You pioneer a lot of entrepreneurship, a lot of series of people are there. Sir. So, and again, I must have to tell you, Gujarat is comparatively doing well in CSR robots ecosystem. So, what are the learnings you need to input for Odisha ecosystem in terms of CSR?
So, Dibajit, thank you so much for inviting Pratham to. Samastan, congratulations, those of you jahanku aji award miluchi and all my distinguished policymaker speakers. So, ମୁଁ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରୁ ଗୁଜରାଟ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟରେ ଯେବେ entrepreneurship division ଦେଖୁଛି there is a little difference. The first task that जोड़ा हमको मिली is how we help जोड़ा आप अग्रवाल सब कहले कि यंग पिला को केमिति आपण एंटरप्रेन्योर बनेबे. सो आमे लास्ट 10 वर्ष भितर पाखापाखि 37,000 youth को टेक्नोलॉजी एंटरप्रेन्योर बनै छै.
That's a stellar number.
And you know how did we did that? Nothing rocket science. Only thing is तीन जण मेन शत्रु थांते गोटे पिलार को एंटरप्रेन्योर रो एम्प्लॉयमेंट को नेवा पाई. द फर्स्ट थिंग इज देयर पेरेंट्स. यू नो वी बिकम सो कॉशियस कि हमारे बच्चों को कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए, हम पिला सुरक्षित रहो. The second is the neighbors. You know, the neighbors don't want you taking risk and going skyrocketing achievements. And third are the teachers. So, हमें state government रे policy बने लो कि first of all, how do we make sure that कि parents appreciate risk taking. The second thing is, how do we celebrate by neighbors that if you are taking risk and if you reward it. For example, every month, mu 30 young entrepreneurs को I take it for tea with the Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat. And he interacts with everybody. So the parents को लगे at least my kids are doing something, right? ये process रे हमें जो 11,000-12,000 entrepreneur बनेलु. One of my previous notion मु ओडिशा रो जाई के गुजरात गवर्नमेंट रो PSU लेके बड़ा mindset था कि probably आपण जब को पैसा बनाती you crave for more money. Once you make money, you crave for more making money. Prabodh Babu can tell it better. He's a hands-on entrepreneur. But one day, a young entrepreneur, जहाँ मु 5 वर्ष अगर गवर्नमेंट रो 15 लाख टका ग्रांट देथिली. In 5 years, he has built a $1 billion company, a technology company. He came to me. He asked कि sir, I have a decision to make. I need an advice. I told, what decision? He is hardly 32-year-old, Nirmit Parikh. So she कहूँ, sir, I want to place 90% of my growth, value of my company to contribute to society. तो प्रथम तरफ I thought that कानरे किसी अलग जिसे सुन लेगी कि how come a Gujarati who has built a $1 billion company in 8 years want to give back 90% of his wealth. He is hardly 32-year-old. अच्छा 50, 60, 65 वर्ष है, you think about going to Vanprastha, that is okay. At 32, you are a first generation technology entrepreneur. Then I told him, what are you talking about? Then he told me a story, Dibajit Bhai, and this is very interesting. She said, sir, do you know which are the 4 industrialists who made America as America? I told him, I don't know. He told me, these are 4 people. Henry Ford, who made the car. Andrew Carnegie, who made steel. Rockefeller, who made kerosene and petrol. And business चलेगा पाई, ये सब रहे, somebody has to finance. This was JP Morgan. एक 4 जन लोग को for 50 years they tried to kill each other in business. They made sure. समझने चाहूँ कि second, third, fourth person should not be there in business. They competed, cut through, and they become a billionaire, and then they made American industrial story. But there is an interesting thing happened. The first among these 4 who passed away, जहाँ मृत्यु भला, first time इमान को भीतरे, he was JP Morgan. So JP Morgan को जो दोनों death थला, and all these 4 people went to तांकर स्मशान यात्रा रे. No, they were all silent for 30 minutes. And these 3 gentlemen says कि अगर यहीं पहुंचना है तो यार इतनी competition क्यों है to accumulate wealth? You know what they did after that? After that incident, ये 3 जन जो माने accumulation of wealth में compete करूँ they did a reverse competition, and reverse competition was to give away all the money.
How much they can give
90% of all the money that Rockefeller did, they told कि give it away. Andrew Carnegie told कि अरे अमेरिका रे गाँव रे library नहीं. He started something called Carnegie Library Networks. Every taluka equivalent place go and create a library. So जो 4 जन अमेरिका रो industrial economy पाई cutthroat wealth creation पाई compete करूँ at certain point of emancipation they started competing to give back. Now this young boy, जो पिला entrepreneur who came to my office and tell कि sir, I don't want to go to see my friend's death and realize कि what I need to do. So I think आमे जो दी ओडिशा रे entrepreneur, PSUs, corporate, global companies, CSR, जितने भी entrepreneur अछंती, we need to figure out what we want to do in life. Like Dr. Agarwal told, right? He's happy making 6,000 people happy.
Yeah.
And I think what we did in Gujarat is after learning that it is making money is fun, but making a lot of money and storing somewhere else is not fun.
It's a risk.
How do you create value out of it? So Amme Gujarat government we have created 4-5 platforms. One is called Gujarat CSR Authority. We are collecting projects from NGOs, universities, innovation hubs, incubation centers, asking what project you want to do if we give you 1 million rupee or 5 million rupee, right? And then the other side, we are pooling all the CSR capital, around 3,000 crores of capital that state PSUs or Baki Shavachanti to put them into portal. And then trying to do a matchmaking. Suppose you have money and I have an idea. There should be a platform to integrate these two.
Let's collaborate.
So every year, प्रत्येक वर्ष पाखापाखि 3,000 ରୁ 4,000 छोट छोट प्रोजेक्ट को सपोर्ट करछो दैट नंबर 1.
Yeah.
Number 2, various states have various strategy. Telangana, Karnataka and others, they are very hungry for innovations, right? ସେମାନେ CSR पैसारे खाली लोकल एरिया डेवलपमेंट नुहे बट कटिंग एज इनोवेशन द्वारा केमिति सोशल इंडेक्स को अपलिफ्ट करियो ता ପାଇଁ ବି କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି. So one lesson that we took that कि innovation रो social diffusion ପାଇଁ ବି capital दरकार. And that capital cannot be for profit capital, that has to be social capital and that could be CSR capital. So आमे प्रत्येक वर्ष around 500 crores worth of CSR money from PSU आमे एमिति social enterprise को दोचु. Those are not charitable, they are wealth creating enterprises but they are meaningful enterprises. Now you will ask me, how do you define these meaningful enterprises? I will tell you a very simple thing. Sabbu rajya re, sabbu desa re, sabbu culture re, nijara gote fundamentals value system thai. For example, if you go to United States, ତାଙ୍କର ସବୁଠୁ ବଡ଼ ଗଛ ହେଉଛି ସିକୋୟା ଟ୍ରି. ଅଲମୋଷ୍ଟ ଅଲ୍ ଅଫ୍ ୟୁ ନୋ ରାଇଟ୍. 2500 ବର୍ଷ ପୁରୁଣା ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ୍ ପାର୍କ ସିକୋୟା ପାର୍କରେ ଗୋଟେ 2500 ବର୍ଷ ପୁରୁଣା ଗୋଟେ ଗଛ ଅଛି, 300 ଫୁଟ ହାଇଟ୍, 30 ଫୁଟ ଚଉଡ଼ା. ଆଉ ଆମେରିକାର ସବୁ ଇନ୍ସପିରେସନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ବିଜନେସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଇନ୍ସପାୟାର୍ଡ ବାଇ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଫିଲୋସଫି कि एमती गोटे बिजनेस बनवा जोटा कि पूरा वर्टिकली ग्रो हो ना छाई ना डाल ना फल ना फूल एंड इट हैज टू बी बिग, इट हैज टू क्रिएट वैल्यू. दैट्स हाउ अमेरिकार सबुठ बड़ वेंचर कैपिटल ना भी सिकोया कैपिटल. सो द बिलीव दैट फिलोसफी कि वी हैव टू ग्रो बिग, फॉरगेट अबाउट हु इज अराउंड. छाई मिलुचे कि नहीं, पत्र मिलुचे कि नहीं, दैट्स नॉट एन इश्यू. बट इमेजिन व्हाट इज नेशनल ट्री ऑफ इंडिया, banyan tree. Banyan tree never goes vertical, right? It goes horizontal. So the moment you create a value system in India, it creates value for everybody. It gives you leaf, it gives you fruit, it gives you, in fact, banyan tree borogacharo, taro apon dekhithibe tar cheroro gacha hochi, right? That means one entrepreneur create more entrepreneurs. I think you used to tell the same thing, right? It's a banyan tree philosophy, right? You help more branches to come and become a tree. So I think this responsibility of creating wealth for everybody is already in the DNA of Bharatiya business model. But somehow we are copying this thing from the modern business schools who are copying the Western philosophy of economics and business models. So CSR re, fundamentally Gujarat government we decided that we have to go to our roots. We need to make sure that our policies, system, institutions should be as per Indian needs. And the important factor, Dibajit Bhai, is we realized what the Western capital has told us called CSR is actually something called pure profit or Suddha Labh. What the true Indian or Odisha version of entrepreneur should be not Suddha Labh but Subh Labh. Subh Labh means profit also. So rather than pure profit, we are talking about, or profit only, we are talking about profit also. So आमे Gujarat government we have 5,000 company जो माने प्रत्येक वर्ष 500 crore plus top line करुचंती. We are dealing with each of them and trying to counsel them, even small SMEs जहाँ पाकरे निजरा CSR team नहीं, to tell them, boss, every penny of you can touch somebody's life. You decide whose life you want to change, and we are just an enabler. So I think these are certain practices.
So if you are asked, can you lay out a plan actually that will work for the CSR ecosystem in Odisha? 2 lines for that, 2 key factors.
I think we have more money in CSR in Odisha, honestly speaking.
20,000, 25,000, 30,000.
But problem is, I think, Amoku Darkar, we need to decentralize that. I mean, Sari is doing well, Nalco is doing well, MCL is doing well.
Yeah.
The real problem is, it is not about bigger people taking part in the movement.
yeah,
It is the smaller people who need to participate in the
Decentralization,
movement.
sir.
Decentralizing, and company SME companies who might be doing 10 crore profit, 15 crore profit, they might not write you a check of $500,000. They can give you 100,000 rupees or 500,000 rupees. But decentralization of this spirit is important. Second important जिनसे हो कि I think हमको भी decide करने को पड़ेगा कि only the CSR cannot be in 2 or 3 districts. You have to take it to every places. And I think the state government also need to create an institutional mechanism. कारण one Pramod ji or Agrawal ji or Ravi ji or
parliamentary,
sir
yeah.
can help.
They come
550,
together, sir.
500.
They come together, sir.
But जब हमें institutionalize कर देवा, this can go up to exponentially.
It go to the next mile, sir.